Guys, and welcome to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can take a birdshot photos in your Samsung Galaxy S6 Lite. So at the start, open the camera app, then go to the settings and make sure that you have in this option selected take birdshot and the swipe shutter button too. Now just go back to the camera and hold the shutter button and swipe it to the right. As you can see, we took 11 photos now, and if you want to pick the best one, just open it in the gallery, click on this little icon and select best photos. If you already click the download icon and decide that you want to keep other photos than selected or just delete them all. Click save, and that's it. Now we have only 3 shots. Thanks for the watching, leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.